Wow! Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let me show you how to make this amazing air fried cranberry butter chicken wings. This is absolutely amazing, delicious. Let's get right into it. So I would have already washed my chicken wings and cut them in half. Then I'm going in with my seasonings. Not to worry, everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. We are going to marinate well. I did spray my air fryer, and we are going to add the drums in one side and the flats in one side, or you can air fry the chicken the way you like it, okay? And I'm going to air fry this for 40 minutes. 20 minutes through, I'm going to flip the chicken over so everything can be nice and golden brown. Then to a pan, I'm going to add some butter. Allow this to melt slowly. Then y'all remember that cranberry sauce I made that is still amazingly delicious. I add that to the butter, some orange, freshly squeezed orange juice, guys. All right, give that a good stir, give it a good taste, and it's done. Beautiful. We're gonna add the wings and coat them well here. And this is what it looks like, guys. I just add some sesame seed just for presentation, but boy, this was absolutely amazing. It was super delicious. I had this with my rice and peas, some plantains, and some garden salad. Absolutely amazing. I hope you guys make these. They're super easy, quick, and absolutely delicious. If you guys are new here for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, and I see y'all on the next video. Love you guys. Bye bye.